October 16, 1846, Massachusetts General Hospital, Boston. An important date. The events of that day, many believe, constitute America's greatest contribution to medical care. That was the date of the first general anesthetic given by William Thomas Green Morton. If you're watching this video, you presumably have an interest in the art and practice of anesthesiology. Fortunately, you no longer have to go to Boston to explore the magic of anesthetics. And indeed, it is magic. Surgery is cutting and sewing, but anesthesia is definitely magic. If you're thinking about a career in the practice of anesthesiology, we are very interested in you. If you simply want to learn more about the clinical skills practiced in this medical specialty, we also have some programs you may wish to know about. And I want to tell you about the unique advantages of learning about the mysteries of anesthesiology at the Albany Medical Center, the highest acuity hospital in the great state of New York. You might notice from the melodic way in which I pronounce certain words that I have traveled a great distance to meet with you in Albany, New York. I think you should come here.
I came to Albany over 2 decades ago, and I agree with Dr. O'Leary. This is a great place to learn about anesthesiology. Anesthesiology departments vary widely in their focus and their culture. As a medical student, or indeed at any level of learning, you want to find an experience in anesthesiology where you're welcomed and supported and made a full member of the team. You want to have personal contact with the clinical faculty who have devoted their lives to this exciting specialty and love to teach that expertise. That's what students find here in Albany. Dr. O'Leary and I direct the elective programs in Albany for medical students, and we are proud and delighted by the enthusiastic response we have seen to these programs. Programs that feed our residency training in anesthesiology. A residency that now attracts outstanding young physicians, especially seeking strong, science-based clinical training in the full range of anesthesia practice.
Hi, I'm Dr. Laura LeDuc, one of the pediatric anesthesia attendings at Albany Medical Center. We love being able to provide a fun and dynamic experience for our students, regardless of their interest in pursuing a career in anesthesia. While we do enjoy recruiting new anesthesiologists, our focus is on giving all of our students an understanding of this critical aspect of medical care. The most important and potentially life-saving skill you will learn from us is mask ventilation. When possible, we also provide you with an opportunity to start IVs and intubate patients. You will notice that pediatric anesthesiology is a mixture of intellectual challenge and technical skill. On a daily basis, we work to provide our patients, our students, and our entire team with a positive experience. So we look forward to welcoming you to our specialty.
There are many things I love about pediatric anesthesia. We take care of every patient, from healthy children to critically ill neonates and young adults. Each child and situation is unique, and it's a great privilege to care for these precious individuals. Many medical students find the operating room intimidating, but don't worry. You are a part of our team, and we don't expect you to manage patients on your own. You may have many questions, and there will be time throughout the day to have them answered. You'll find that our residents with whom you'll be assigned have a wealth of information. I hope you'll get a chance during this short week to appreciate the importance of what we do.
The Albany Medical Center clearly has the clinical volume and the surgical expertise on a par with any major medical center in the United States. You can easily research these attributes yourself, but I want to invite you to Albany to experience the unique culture of teaching and nurturing at this medical center. We have all the anesthesia subspecialties. We have a magnificent simulation center, but more importantly, we have a clinical faculty that goes out of their way to immerse you in their love of this exciting specialty. At the Albany Medical Center, we involve you in our clinical work and in all the teaching activities of the department. At the end of this video, you will see links to provide you with the details of all the teaching programs available to you at the Albany Medical Center.
I'm Dr. Megan Kaufman, one of the attending anesthesiologists at Albany Medical Center. and I work with my colleague, Dr. Mike Fitzpatrick, in coordinating the month-long rotation in anesthesia for residents from outside specialties. Dr. Fitzpatrick and I really want to make sure you get the most out of your time here with us and think it will serve you well in your career to have a better understanding of what goes on our side of the drapes. We're excited to have you with us and really want to make this a valuable experience for you. It's so important for us to know and understand your procedures, but also for you to know and understand the implications of certain patient comorbidities and challenges the types of procedures present to us. The ability to communicate effectively with your anesthesia providers with the understanding of what they're faced with will greatly improve your future practice. And hopefully you'll have some fun here with us in the meantime.
At the Albany Medical Center, we stress teamwork and vigilance as the central elements in the delivery of safe and effective anesthesia care. We expect learners to join our teams and help us take care of patients with respect and diligence. The welfare of the patient always comes first. Learners at the Albany Medical Center earn the privilege of developing their clinical skills as a member of the care team by paying attention to detail, helping out with the full range of clinical duties, and demonstrating their empathy and vigilance on behalf of the patient. The AMC culture is one of pitching in and mutual support. I look forward to seeing you in the OR at the Albany Medical Center.
We sincerely invite you to consider joining us in Albany.